Hi everyone. Yes, now we are live. I don't know why my computer is just being lagged every time and I just can't go live right now.
Can't go live right now.
But now hopefully it's good.
But now hopefully it's good.
So on Euro USD, what we can see is our high time frame thesis is completely bearish, right? So if our high time frame thesis is completely bearish, then we gotta look for levels from where sellers are interested to sell based above. So in 15-minute time frame, you can see this area. From this area, sellers are so interested. So look, if I gotta tell you about my age, like which thing clicks me more, or like which thing has high probability of me winning, is just these things, sellers, buyers, sellers. It has not been tested. So if price comes to this area, I would be doing direct shorts. Okay, because yeah, this is the only order flow in 15 minutes. Yes, sir. That's left on this 15 minutes. Yes, 1:6. So yeah, this is gonna be the only trade I'm gonna be interested today. Else, we got this area here, and 15 minute. Yes, we also got. See, all the order flows are just mitigated. This order flow is mitigated. Sellers. This is the internal order flow between this and this. So this order flow is also mitigated. Every order flow is mitigated. So we just got this order flow left. So hopefully price will tap this order flow and just reject from there. So Euro USD is gonna be our first pair, which we will be focused on today. USD JPY on that 4 hour time frame. But we can see buyers, sellers, buyers are interested. See, this selling pressure is so big. Buyers see they made a hammer candle, which means what does hammer candle means? Hammer candle simply means the sellers were so strong, but buyers bought and just closed above, which means this 4 hour candle will possibly print bullish. So now we just gotta wait for buying trade to play out, right? So where we are at, we are at the area from where buyers might step in USD JPY. Till which point? Till this point. So at this 1 minute saying 15 minute, the area where buyers might step in. Also this area, if it comes to this area, yeah, I would be interested, but all horizontal line. No, I will not be interested if it drops below this area, because see, then the sellers will be strong. Do we have any order flows left in this area? And these stones say buyers, sellers, buyers. This order flow, it's already been tested this time. So this is the internal order flow. So look, if the external order flow has already been tested, then internal order flow is most likely not gonna work properly. So USD JPY, it's kind of doubtful for me. But CGBP USD played out perfectly, give me perfect TP. But as well, I was looking, I was not in the chart, and I just have to be closed over here at this point. But it's fine. At least I stayed up to my discipline and I hold till here rather than just cutting here, 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 here. I just hold till here, guys, and it played out perfectly. 4 hour time frame. We are at the supporting area. So yeah, this is the only pair maybe, because see gold. Honestly, I don't like to trade like these pairs. Like if price is doing like these things. Honestly, I don't want to trade the way it is forming right now. Either I want a market which is bullish or which is bearish. What is it doing right now? Is it bullish or bearish? This kind of see lower low, lower high, lower low, kind of bearish, but whereas it bounced from area where buyers might step in. So see, sellers are also interested, buyers are also interested. So which means this whole entire zone would be kind of no training zone, to be honest, because a higher time frame thesis leads to a smaller time frame, which is so true at every aspect. This is also totally trapped in a zone. I can see sellers, buyers, sellers are weak, buyers came up strong, sellers are weak. What is this point? Euro USD, please, guys. Euro USD comes to this zone, it would be the perfect trade for today. Please, just tap over this zone. I would be interested for sales directly. I'll be entering a direct position. When you know your A's, you just gotta wait for that thing to play out over and over and over and over the market. Sellers, wire sellers, this kind of look trash to me. This also already tapped to this zone. Now see, now if it taps over this zone, do you think buyers are interested? Because there's no any order flow left. If this was my trading time, guys, I would have entered, but it was not in my trading time. But you can see the previous live, like I just have said this thing, like if this zone will be reevaluated with some break above, then I will be interested to buy. I have said in previous uh, live, you can check. This should be my B point. This should be my full target, but I didn't trade because that was out of my trading time. Where's my indicator? I see details on yes. This is an indicator that this is the time, but it's fine. Yeah, this is the time. See, it's already 4 p.m. I just trade from 1:30 till 3. If my setup comes still 1:30 till 3, else it's fine. AUD USD looks crash. USD JPY. Honestly, yeah, there's no any order flow. This is an internal order flow, but if the external order flow is already mitigated, then internal order flow will most likely not play out. Just like this, I don't think it will play out. This is also the area from where buyers might be interested, but if price comes to this zone, it would already be see this candle would already print something like this, right? What does this indicate? This indicates sellers are so strong because buyers are so weak. So then it's not gonna be our trading pair. So prime focus would be Euro USD. Please guys, if this steps here, gonna go in. So no other thing to nothing to say on this. Buyers, sellers are weak. So when I talk about GBP AUD, this pair is kind of confusing because the buyers came in, right? Buyers are so strong, which means we can't take sales from this area because buyers are so strong, taking all over these candles. See, so we can't even take buys, we can't even take sales. So we wait, sellers step in. Buyers are trying to win. So buyers are trying to overcome, making the structural change, but still I'm not happy with what it has printed because see, it's also like this. We can't consider this as a proper trend change already. No, we can't consider that because this buying pressure is not too much enough. So this it's in the midpoint. You know, no, bro, please just gotta tap over this place. USD CAD looks trash to me because if now market taps to this zone, to go to this zone, we don't have any order flow left, which means hopefully it will break below and sellers will step in directly. USD also nothing. Strap in a zone. USD JPY. So look, if we have no any order flows left, what I want this candle to be printed is kind of bullish doji, and if I really want to go longs, what I want is some structure shift in 1 minute and test of that previous structure, which can also be considered as an order flow, something like this. See, sellers, right? This now orders are being created. Now it broke above. When it comes to retest, then I would be interested. Take price up here. This should be my only trading. This would be my only trading opportunity on USD, JPY, GBP, USD. Gold honestly looks trash to me when I see it properly. As I've said you, neither buyers are interested here, neither sellers are interested here. So this zone is completely a trash zone. Yes, we can see a lower time frame structures. See, buyers are weak, sellers to control. Buyers are weak, sellers to control. Buyers are strong. See, so this is the confusion points. I mean, we don't have any proper direction. We just need a proper direction, guys. Which can be seen in Euro USD. Proper direction. This is the pair. So this candle printed proper bearish, which means, but still, this candle might print bullish and just go higher. Yeah. What I want is something like this, right? Which means, do we have any order flow here? No, this order flow might be, you see, it's already mitigated. So if now, has it created any orders? See, I need this to be proper bullish. And when it comes to retest, I'll be entering somewhere around here just to target this size. Yes, sir. I'll be entering around here just to make sure I got that good RR. Managed to This means I don't care even if I lose, because if I win, I gotta win so big. See, they made this order buyers, so we just gotta wait for some time. USD JPY and Euro USD. Please, guys, come up over here. I don't think price might type here. So yeah, USD JPY and is to 3. I'd also be happy with 1 is to 3. Yeah, if it comes to this zone, it would be so good. No trade, no trade. Trade CJ. Buyers, sellers. Buyers are weak, sellers are strong. Buyers are weak, sellers just closed. Look at this, but as it is consolidating, as it is consolidating, we don't know whether this is the top of consolidation or this is the top or this is the top, because see, GPGPR, because when we compare these things, we know this is the bottom because it has tested and went above before. So at this point, GPGPR, we don't know this is the top or not. We just gotta, we just don't know anything like which is the top or which is the bottom on that pair. CPI. If it comes to this area, I would be interested for buys. Yes, not red. GBP USD. So this week I had just 3 trades out of 4 days, and 2 of them hit my take profit and 1 hit my SL. Which is completely fine. So, so focus is on Euro US. Oh, fa. It's gonna do fa before coming to my entry. Nah, bro, please. No, bro, please. Don't do like that. Oh, my laptop is about to get blasted. It's being very hot. Babe, please come to this area. USD JPY, please. I love you if you come to this zone. So we got any other peers which we could analyze now? Euro USD, please. Yes, sir. USD JPY, please. USD JPY. Are they opposite peers? Euro USD JPY? I think so. Let's see. Let's see this pair. USD JPY. Either this is gonna be my trading pair today, or this is gonna be trading pair, or Euro USD is gonna be trading pair today. Yes, sir. So let's wait for this trade to play out. We can enter from here, but like our RR will not make sense if we enter from this zone, because see, this would be 1 is to 1.7. If we enter around this place where like this is an external order flow, right? This is an internal kind of internal order flow. So if we get the midpoint of the internal order flow, it would be so good. Testy zone. I call this zone as testy zone. Because this is the testy zone, man. So yes, sir. If I have to look for other peers, what would it be is mm, not all forex peers. Let's see. If I had to choose between the peers, yes, to get CBP. AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD USD. Already checked. JPY, USD, JPY, yes. USD CAD. Let's see USD CAD. Oh, and TRES. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Wow. Yes. This looks good. This looks good, but I know it won't give me my entry. Still, Euro GBP looks good. Euro GBP looks good. 15 minutes, yes, sir. Euro GBP is good. New, where can I put this? I don't want to put here, so it's the thing that I don't want to put here. I will just put blue one. Like I will delete this later. Now I will delete because I want Euro GBP on the chart. Green one, yes, sir. So if price would be tapping over here, then I would be interested for sales. Do we got the tap? No, I think this would hit my TP directly without me being in. Oh my god, bro. This sucks me. Euro GBP, CAD JPY, CAD JPY. So what we can look at in 4 hour, totally bullish. Our time this is bullish. Hourly 15 minutes kind of bullish, but sellers buyers are strong. Sellers are weak. If price comes to this zone, it would be so good. So look, do we got any order flow left? All the order flows are already mitigated. This order flow, this order flow, this order flow. So by just Leave it AUDGPY. Trash. GBP NZT. So the pair that's gonna why these are different between the it is going down without me being in. Are this guys serious, bro? What the hell? Why did you invalidate my trade? Now we can't enter buys, guys. So Euro GBP is the pair which would be interested to buy SL. Euro USD, no, I don't think because it's already into my take profit area. Bro, why it didn't tap this zone? It was not so far. The sellers were too aggressive, but it is what it is. Just no. Euro GPY. Let's see all other pairs then. USD, USD GPY, USD CHF. Yeah, USD CHF no. USD. NZUSD, we got a trade over here. Yes, I think so. See, sellers are so strong, buyers are so weak, which means this candle will most likely print bearish, where it's the selling area. This is the selling area where sellers are interested. 15 minute. Do we have any order flow left? Buyers are weak, sellers are strong. Buyers are weak, sellers are strong. They should come to this area minimum. So this was the area. Did we have any order flow? No. So do I need to broke below? So look, buyers, sellers, buyers. They broke below and made this is the order flow. And this is the internal order flow between this and this. So if you want to sell from here directly, it is the best idea now, I think. Just give me a second. This is the order flow, yes. NZT sellers strong, yeah, NZT USD. We gotta sell right now. I'm selling NZT USD. NZT USD chart. And 0.13. This candle closes above this zone, I'd be closing manually. Yeah. This candle closes above this zone. I don't know why we got so big spread on this and the USD, guys. The spread is so high. Sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. This is the internal order flow. This is an sellers, buyers, sellers. This is an external order flow. So yeah, this is the valid as hell. Price steps goes above this. It is an invalid trade if it closes below above this. This is the invalidation point. So if any candle closes above this, the trade is completely invalid. I'll just get 1:3 almost. Yes, this is the take profit. NZD USD. NZD USD. And so now the only thing we can do is just to wait for either trade to play out in our favor or just to get stopped out. Just gotta wait and see what price does at the moment. So this is the pair. So I will explain you the proper reason behind the entry and things. So in trading, you just gotta identify four things. First is direction. Just never trade off the direction. This solves the 60% of your problem. Second is zones. Third is entry. Fourth is exit. That's all you need. So what was the hard time frame thesis or direction? It was bearish. See this candle printed so much of bearishness, which means hard time frame thesis is bearish. We can see in hourly time frame also these buyers are so weak, which means this 4 hour and 1 hour candle will possibly print bearish. So 15-minute, what we can see, this is the area from which sellers might be interested, right? Sellers, buyers, see. So did we had any order flow? No. So if we don't have any order flow, then we enter when price makes a new order flow. Did price made new order flow? Yes. Sellers, buyers, sellers. Price made a new order flow. Sellers, buyers, see. And price tapped into that order flow and it's selling. So it's just probability if it does not plays out. But if it plays out, I will get 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So also on USD JPY, see price, it was the same thing. What was our attempt in this is bearish, bullish, because this candle printed much doji, which is good. So on 15-minute, we can see buyers area from where buyers are interested, but there were no any order flows left in 1 minute time frame, right? Which means let's check this. Just gotta manage risk if it closes above this area. This area I would be closing properly. So it's fine even if it's myself. Just gotta wait for the candle closer. 6, 5, 4. I'm out. I'm completely out, guys. Now I know it won't play out. It won't play out for sure. L for the day. What the hell? What is this commission? This is hell out of commission, man. NZT USD trade. Why is this? Why am I getting so much of commissions? This is pissing me off, guys. So we can't sell now because already sellers stepped in strong. So this would be low probability setup if we enter now for sales. So we just gotta keep an eye on Euro GBP. But bro, this pair just got stopped out, but I lose $50, right? But my commission was $10. I lost $60. My commission was $12. What the hell, bro? It's too much of commission. Sellers, buyers, sellers. Was this the area? Was this the order flow? No, this was not the place where I could place SL. So this is the valid SL. Complete valid SL. I get stopped out around here. It's the valid SL, guys. We just gotta no, it's the valid SL. So okay, guys, this is not the pair I would be interested to sell. To SL and to TP and still up around 1.5%. It's to SL and went to SL to take profit and still up. Minimum RR is 1:3, like average RR. So I don't think there will be more trading opportunities for me today. Rosivina. See, this just turned above. This would be the next area. Do we have any order flows here? Mm-hmm. Order flows. Sales bars. So this has not been tested. This I not it has not broken the lows. It is under this inside, but this has taken this out. This has taken the high, but has not taken out the lows. But still, yeah, this is already been tested. But if it prints something like this, then it would be best. I would not be interested to buy from here because this can already hit my area where I would be taking profit on. No, I am not interested. The buys here, no. No, guys. For NZD to play out, price gotta tap this area and it should print something like this. Here is the maybe not USDP not interested now. So do you think Euro USD is gonna it's a good pair to sell best of now? Let's analyze this 4 hour proper bearish, 1 hour bearish, 15 minute at the bearish auto flow. This is not kind of auto flow, this is an auto flow. It has not tapped here, buyers are weak. Sellers are kind of strong. Yeah, it will make sense if we enter here, right here. It will make sense honestly, but we just gotta wait because this is so perfect. See, looks so perfect to me. It would be 1:6 RR and yes. So this is the pair. Now I am looking for the only pair I am looking for. So look, when you find your A's, it's so easy for you to take trades based off that. Like, see what my age is. I look for high time frame direction. I look for levels. I look for entry, and I look for exit. As I said, you. So look, this is so easy. What was 4 hour doing? What was high time thesis? It was so bearish. See, this candle printed so bearish. So what does that indicate? It indicates this candle will possibly print bearish. So in 15-minute time frame, you can see sellers are so strong, buyers are kind of weak. This is the area from where sellers are interested. So in 1 minute time frame, we see the order flow. So if price taps this order flow, so why I choose this order flow? Why not this order flow? This order flow? Because this is the area where sellers might be interested. So if price hit my SL, I'll give my trade a second chance, my buyers a second chance. If this internal order flow, this is the proper order flow. This order flow is also fresh. So what is the internal order flow in between this and this? It's this. So if my trade is its SL, I will also give my buyers a second chance over here at this point, because yeah, this is the zone. This is the external order flow. Like see, this is the external order flow and this is the internal order flow in between this and this, which means there's buyers. More specifically, it's this place, but we gotta consider all of this area. So this is the only possible scenario that I can look for in Euro USD now. 1:4 or 1:5. This would be my break even point. One is to 4 or 1:5.3. And if this word trade it's my SL, then it's okay. Didn't came into my area. Yes, Euro USD. And it's okay even if trades don't plays out, because you just gotta stay disciplined. So now look, what might be the reason for you NZUSD to hit my SL? So there's no any reason. It's just probability is not playing out. It's as simple as that. You just gotta think it like that. Because if our average trade hits take profit, then we're gonna beat Bill Gates. So it's just probabilities playing out in our favor or not playing out in our favor. The only thing that separates you with a professional trader is how you deal this emotionally. Like if I deal this thing like, no, I gotta be right, like I am the boss, I am the boss, no, 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 and you just enter another position here with aggression, another position here and something like that, then you're not gonna be a profitable trader, because you just have to follow a system which you know it will work in long term, and just wait for that things to appear in chart, to show up every day just like that, and don't think like this. If one setup does not plays out, it's the strategy for, don't think it like that, and just let the probabilities plays out, probability play out, and be mindful of your decision, like what you are thinking, like how your mental state is at the time when you trade, and like when you are in the trade, and when you are searching for the trade, just be mindful of that things, like what thing is going in your brain internally, and just feel that. And after that, for sure you're gonna make it, because when you feel what's going on your mind, and you know yourself what is in your mind, then you're gonna have control over your mind. And if you have control over your mind, you're gonna have control over the chart. If you have control over the chart, then you have control over profits. Simple as that. Mm, so what trade I took yesterday? Then before yesterday, I will show you just that. This trade, I think, right? No, this trade. Yeah, this trade. So I didn't close my. Here it was my. I entered at this zone, when price tapped into my this order flow, internal order flow. This is an external order flow, and I entered here. My sell here and take profit exactly at this point. Why was my take profit at that point? Because this was the area from where buyers might step in. So it tapped exactly there. So I know in long run this thing is gonna be played out uh, correctly. Exactly this point. Where did I enter? I entered somewhere around here. I don't know where, but I entered somewhere around here. But yeah, I just want to say this trade played out perfectly. But I was patient enough to hold these drawdowns when price went this up, went down, things like that. So you just have to be mindful that if your strategy works in long run, then you just gotta fight with short term losses like this on your NZUSD. Yeah, it's completely fine and normal for me. If this candle reevaluates my zone, still I am not interested for sales, because this buying candle is so strong. So look at it like this. This candle is so strong, right? Even if this candle closes inside my selling zone, then I will not be interested for sales, because this next candle might just be bullish, because this candle is totally bullish. So if you want to sell, you gotta look at the opposing candles and see either they are less in control or not. Because see, like this candle was so strong, so if we got enter from here, we can enter directly. So if this candle is so strong and this candle is weak, then we can't enter here, because this candle just might print bullish. It will go over here. So I can feel like trading is not 100% technicals. Psychology and emotions on the way which you should mindful of. Before, I also used to think technicals are 100%, but when you go deep down over this thing, then you just gotta look at you. You just gotta control you in order to win in this game. Like, if I had not control over myself and entered here, this order flow, then it would be a loss because I know this will go bullish, but I can't take sales here. Thinking price will go down emotionally. You know, I don't think USD will play out. So the only focus would be on Euro USD. Euro USD. If it plays out, it plays out. If it plays out, is it plays out. If it does not plays out, so let's go live on TikTok and the share my the fuck it was news 2:30. I have not entered yet, but still, thank God I didn't enter, man. Was it news? Not six. Yes, it was news. Bad for USD. Most of them are bad for USD, which means it is bad for USD. Which means Euro USD bad. Good for Euro USD. USD JPY, yeah, drops. Oh my god. It's good for them. The hell, bro? USD up. No, I have not entered here yet because, bro, this kind of. But still, it has respected my selling zone. But still, I'm not interested until we get some calmness in the market. Bro, it was shit. Non-farm employment change minus 92k 58. Previous forecast minus 92 bad. This code for these pairs. Buyers are way in control. I think we just gotta leave it now because when fundamental hits harder, technicals most likely do not play out, but still the levels working so good. See, this was only the order flow left for sellers to step in, and they just took control even after the news. Even after the news, they took control. against the news. Most of the time, fundamental follows the technicals. Out of left, no any out of those. Hell no, bro. No out of those left. Yes, the cat. So, guys, today was the L day for me. So I am live on TikTok. Today was the L day for me because the Euro GBP no it's over 5 days because the which way hit my SL and the USD hit my SL, but still respected this area C for the for even for 1 minute. Even the news was so good for this, it respected my tone for some time. So now I don't think we got trading opportunities for today. We have no any. Uh, that's it for the day, guys. So in trading, if you think like when I come to chart and I just need to get paid, you will get broke as fuck. In the other opposite way of that, then you're gonna be held distracted. So I think USD CAD also can bring me some buying opportunities here, like sellers, buyers. This is the extreme zone. It also might get broken, might also get retested. Let's see on daily time frame. Daily time frame we can see sellers, buyers are strong. Sellers are kind of weak as well. Honestly, I don't trust this zone now to buy because the daily looks like this. Daily looks like this is just consolidation. So yeah, not trade for me over here. So I'm done for the day, guys. Yes, I am done for